Hey everyone, Nathan from Elegant Themes here. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you an overview of the image module. So the image module is part of Extra's category builder. The category builder uses a unique set of builder modules to create blog post layouts. To get to the category builder, navigate in your WordPress admin to Extra, Category Builder. Now to use the image module, we'll need to create a new layout or open up an existing one. So for this video, I'm simply going to open up one that I've already created. Now in this particular layout, I chose to add an image module to the very bottom of my layout. And I'll show you what that looks like on the front end here, just so you can see what I was going for and how I achieved it on the back end. So first, let's see it on the front end. I just chose to add sort of like a little watermark down here as a bit of extra branding just for an example. But really, there's so much that you can do with the image module to make it your own and to add some uniqueness to your layouts. So let's jump in here and take a peek at what I did on the back end here. So here's my image module, and I'm going to open up the settings by going to this hamburger icon. And just like with all of our other modules, there's 3 sections of settings, 3 tabs: General Settings, Advanced Design Settings, and Custom CSS. So right up here is our image URL where we can upload our image. We can add image alternative text, image title text. We can choose to open that image in a lightbox. We can add a link URL so that if someone clicks on the image, it'll redirect them to that URL. We can choose to have that open in the same window or in a new tab. We can choose to have the image animate in, so left to right, right to left, top to bottom, bottom to top, or fade in. These are all the same types of animations that you'll see in the image module for the normal Divi Builder. We can also choose to remove space below the image, which is a really cool feature. If, say, down here at the bottom of a blog, you want to have a graphic that kind of hugs the footer very closely, you could choose to remove the space below that image and get a nice close alignment to the bottom. So we can also choose, speaking of image alignment, left, center, or right. And as always, we can change the admin label, add CSS ID, or add a CSS class. And again, obviously these are CSS ID and CSS class are great for allowing you to quickly and easily customize this element in your child theme style.css or in the ePanels custom CSS panel. All right, let's jump over to advanced design settings and see what's possible there. So here we can change our image max width. So if we have a single column that goes all the way, a single column and single row that goes all the way across the page, we could choose to limit that by typing in a pixel width here of, say, 500 or 750, and that'll limit it from the full width that it's allowed to go. We can also choose to force full width, which will stretch the image to the full width, even if it's not quite there on its own. We can also choose to always center image on mobile. We can choose to add a border. We can also choose custom margins by just adding in our pixel amounts here. All right, and let's jump over to the final settings tab, Custom CSS. In Custom CSS, we're able to add customizations before, to the main element, and after. All right, and then when you're done with your customizations or your settings configuration under Custom CSS, Advanced Design Settings, and General Settings, just click Save and Exit and Publish, or in this case, Update, and make sure to enjoy the results on the front end. All right, well, that's all for this tutorial. This has been an overview of the image module. If you have any questions about what we've gone over in this video, feel free to leave us a comment and we'll make sure you get a response. If you're interested in learning more about Extra or seeing what else it's capable of, you can go ahead and click the demo button. If you're interested in seeing more Extra tutorials, on the other hand, be sure to click subscribe and never miss a great tip. Thanks for watching.